Today, I will summarize the technology and business capabilities of Argus, a non-destructive testing specialized company. Since its establishment in 1978, Argus has grown into a specialized company based on its verified, non-destructive testing capabilities in major domestic industrial sites. First, let's take a look at the organization. Argus has a systematic operational process consisting of a total of 4 technical teams and a quality assurance team. Each team is composed of veterans with years of field experience in the fields of power generation, petrochemicals, shipbuilding, and structures, providing not only simple inspections but also engineering solutions for the safety and longevity of customer facilities. The following is the scope of services. Argus has a wide range of traditional non-destructive testing technologies applicable across various industries, as well as the latest digital-based inspection technologies. Notably, we offer inspection services for the entire process, including radiographic testing, ultrasonic testing, magnetic testing, liquid penetrant testing, and structural integrity assessments. In particular, digital radiographic testing and high-resolution UT technology ensure high accuracy. Even in complex welds or materials with significant thickness variations, the biggest advantage of this company is its ability to provide high-quality technology that is most in demand in the actual field. So, what are the customer industries? We cater to all industries where equipment reliability is crucial, including power plants, refining and petrochemicals, steel, shipbuilding, and gas. Argus has been carrying out numerous long-term projects with major domestic energy public enterprises and large EPC sites, which is evidence of its recognized technical reliability and quality management capabilities. Now let's take a look at the quality management system. Argus has established a quality assurance system based on international standards, and it operates a thorough management system that ensures compliance with legal regulations as well as equipment calibration, technician qualification management, and internal inspection procedures. This clearly shows that the company prioritizes inspection quality and accuracy. Lastly, it's Argus's competitiveness. First, the proven technology focused on the field. Second, high-precision inspection capabilities based on the latest equipment. Third, engineering-based inspection solutions that understand the characteristics of various industries, such as power generation, refining, gas, and shipbuilding. These 3 aspects establish us not just as a simple inspection agency, but as a technological partner responsible for equipment safety. Through the information presented today, you may have gained an understanding of why Argus is a trusted, non-destructive testing company in the domestic industrial field. We continuously update information on industrial and plant certifications and technologies. Subscribe to connect with deeper insights.